Welcome to this week's edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Spruce Biosciences is sharpening its focus on rare neurological disorders through the acquisition of tralisinidase alpha from Biomarin. This enzyme replacement therapy targets MPS IIIB, a severe neurodegenerative disorder. With plans to submit a biologics license application in the first half of 2026, Spruce is leveraging FDA support for heparan sulfate non-reducing ends as a surrogate biomarker to pursue accelerated approval. Norgine is expanding its rare disease presence in Europe with the acquisition of Theravia. This move brings 6 core products into its portfolio, including cyclose for sickle cell disease and Orfacol for bile acid synthesis disorders. With this acquisition, Norgine strengthens its position as a key partner in the European specialty pharmaceutical market. Sarepta Therapeutics continues to advance its gene therapy pipeline for limb-girdle muscular dystrophy. The FDA has cleared dosing for SRP 9005, targeting LGMD2C, also known as LGMD-R5. Additional clinical studies for other subtypes have completed enrollment. A biologics license application for SRP 9003 is expected by late 2025. Sarepta now has 4 subtypes of LGMD in clinical development. Atsena Therapeutics has received a 4th FDA designation for its gene therapy candidate, ATSN-201, aimed at treating X-linked retinoschisis. In addition to orphan, rare pediatric disease, and fast-track designations, the therapy is now granted RMAT status. Utilizing the proprietary AAVSPR vector, ATSN-201 enables non-invasive subretinal delivery. It is currently in a Phase 1-2 trial targeting boys aged 6 and older with RS1 gene mutations. Glycamine has raised $115 million to progress its first-in-class therapy, GLM-101, for PMM2-CDG. Early studies have shown improved ataxia symptoms in patients. The new funding will support a placebo-controlled Phase 2b trial set to launch in 2025. Investors include Sanofi Ventures and Novo Holdings, underscoring strong confidence in the program. FDA Commissioner Dr. Makary has introduced a new approval pathway specifically for ultra-rare diseases. The mechanism-driven framework allows conditional approval without the need for randomized controlled trials. The approach emphasizes real-world data collection through robust post-marketing surveillance and is designed to expedite access to breakthrough treatments while maintaining safety. Excellamol has earned orphan drug designation from the FDA for its glioma-targeting cancer therapy. The drug targets the IL-13R alpha-2 receptor and is designed using the self-depot platform, which provides sustained local chemotherapy delivery. This approach offers a precise and localized solution for malignant gliomas, one of the most aggressive forms of brain cancer. Tempest Therapeutics has received orphan drug status for TPST-1495, an immunotherapy for familial adenomatous polyposis. The therapy modulates prostaglandin E2 signaling and will enter Phase 2 trials in 2025 with support from the National Cancer Institute. TPST-1495 is the second Tempest program to receive this designation, reflecting continued innovation in gastrointestinal oncology. Stay ahead in rare disease research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.